In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your Gmail address or your Gmail username. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This is a brand new feature at the time of me making this video that actually allows you to update your Gmail account email. So essentially, it's going to allow people to email you through a different email while still keeping your same account. And what's super cool about it is if people don't know your new email address, they can still email your previous email address and you're still going to receive all of those. It's really awesome. But to do this, get loaded into Gmail, select your profile picture up in the top right and hit manage your Google account. It's then going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. You may have to type in your password. Go ahead and look on this left-hand sidebar and find personal info and go ahead and select that. And then from here, find email on here. Choose it, and essentially what you need to do is select your Gmail email right here. So select that, and then from here, hit change Google account email, and then from here, this is where you type in your brand new email address. Now just keep in mind, and this is super important, you can only change this once per year. So make sure it is something that you actually want to do. But once again, you're still going to get emails from people that only know your previous email address as well. That is the entire process. If you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.